Good morning. Today we're gonna replace the Clevis and Toggle for the Lazy Boy recliner with the Chinese parts. Here is our broken part. We're gonna first remove our drive toggle connector, undo the pin, and the remains of the drive toggle. I use screwdrivers sometimes to remove all of these parts because it's really pain to do that. All right, so we put the Clevis mount on the top of the motor, and then the drive toggle connector, and we use the pin to keep it all together. Those are all remain parts. Now we're gonna put the drive toggle. We're gonna dismantle the top plate, and we're gonna use our thread locker blue just to keep this little bolts in place. All right, I just cut some spacers. I always cut them so I can fit them around the rod. Now we have to put the drive toggle back. I dismantle it so we have a plate and we have two little pieces. All these pieces go around the drive rod. Okay, just watch how I'm doing it, because that's a kind of crucial to make that installation easy and don't have much of the frustration. How I found it easy for me, I put the pin through and I put these two little spacers. I mean, you have to put these two little spacers, and you drive the pin through the Clevis mount. There's a hole. You drive it right there. Here we go, another part, and then the second part of the drive toggle. We're gonna put the pin right there, and in this case we have this, crucial parts in place, and they stay there. All right, now I'm gonna use this thread locker. Put a little bit on each hole. The reason why I'm doing it is just to keep the bolts steady, and they will survive longer. I've noticed through the years that sometimes when there's a lot of pressure, that these bolts sometimes they snap, or they just getting undone and they fall off. Now let's just put the bolts back so we connect this drive toggle parts all together. Okay, struggling a little bit. Here we go. You just gotta be patient. Oh, I lost one. Let me put it back. That's fine. Sometimes things are not going as we expected, but a little bit of patience and we're gonna have this whole installation done in a matter of few minutes. Let's tie it all together. Sometimes I'm using the help of the remote controller to move the parts a little bit, to adjust the placement of them. So for me, it will be easier to put my screwdriver, to tighten all the bolts. Here I'm using my extension. I use hand tools to finish that job only, so I do not strip the thread and the bolts. And that's how the whole, setup supposed to look like. Just make sure, because you will get frustrated if you will put it upside down. All right? Okay, let's test it. Goes up and go down. Job is done. Thank you. And if you're in need of sofa recliner repair, please call or text us at 916-701-0000, and our technician will schedule an appointment with you.